I'm gonna rap the Jersey Shore. This is how it is. I look like Snuggles with my bumps and tight abs. Yeah, this is it. I do fist pump, push up, chapstick. Yes, I have fake extensions. Don't care. I like flowers, and I like 10 gorilla heads. I like bumpus, and this is what it is. I like making my hair huge. I like being tan. I like everything about little, big, macho men. I think this is it. Yeah, it's true. I think fake extensions is real. I think kicking dead fish is cool. I think tanning is also real. Hey, Jersey Shore, comment me. And tell me if you like me better with the bump it, the glasses, or both. If you don't want to do that, okay. Alright, comment. Bye.